Welcome. I'm Nurse Will. I hope you're doing well. Today we're diving into a topic that might not be the most exciting, but is incredibly important: the significance of routine health checkups and preventative care. We all lead busy lives, and it's easy to overlook our health amidst the daily hustle. But, folks, regular health checkups are like the maintenance checks for our bodies. They help us catch potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Think of it like this: just as we service our cars regularly to prevent breakdowns, routine health checkups are our way of ensuring our bodies are running smoothly. Now, you might be wondering, why bother when I feel perfectly fine? Well, prevention is the name of the game. Many health conditions don't show symptoms until they progress significantly. Regular checkups can catch these issues early, making them easier to treat and manage. And let's not forget the importance of preventative care. Vaccinations, screenings, and lifestyle advice provided during checkups can significantly reduce the risk of developing certain diseases. It's not just about visiting the doctor when you're unwell. It's about maintaining a proactive approach to your well-being. Think of it as investing in your health bank. The more you deposit through regular checkups, the more safeguard for your future. Establishing a relationship with your healthcare provider also means having a trusted guide in your health journey. They can offer personalized advice, monitor changes in your health over time, and provide early interventions when necessary. So, there you have it, folks. Regular checkups are not just about fixing what's broken, they're about keeping everything in top notch condition. Let's prioritize our health, make those appointments, and take charge of our well being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, take care of yourselves.